How do I make a purchase? After signing up with an LMS Manager account or signing into an existing account, you can open the shop from the UCT LMS to make a purchase by heading to the Buy and Order page, navigating through the different options available and their details, and clicking the Order Shop button on a category you wish to purchase. You can also open the store from the UCT homepage. Once in the store, you can click on each of the options in the side menu to be taken to the different categories available for purchase. Here, I've selected the option for our UCT LMS. Under the selected category, you can click the Buy button to add the item straight to your cart and edit the amount you wish to purchase there. Or you can click the Details button for more detailed information and add the item to the cart from that page. For this category, a single course credit can be allocated to a learner to commence any course we have available on our LMS. In the cart, you can change the quantity you wish to purchase and click the Update button to calculate a new cost. The shop will automatically calculate the total cost for your purchase. And remember, the more you buy, the more you save. Once you're happy with your purchase, you can click the Checkout button to move to the Checkout page, where you can review your order, choose a payment method, and finish the purchase. Remember, you can always return to the LMS from the store page at any time by clicking the Return to My UCT LMS button at the top of the page. So now, let's make a purchase. First, I'll head to Buy and Order in the UCT LMS, select the category I want, here we'll select the UCT LMS e-learning course credits, and click the Order Shop button. Now that I'm in the store, I can click the Buy button to add it to my cart, change the amount I wish to purchase, and click the Update button to receive my new total. Now that I'm happy with my order, I can click the Checkout button, choose my payment method, and click Continue. It's that easy.